Hello everyone. So today I'm going to work on this parrying skill. Here, if I go to my skill tree, now as you can see here, I have added two combat skills. First one is heavy attack, which we worked on yesterday, and this is parrying skill. So it's not activated right now because first I need to activate the heavy attack and then this will be unlocked. But before I activate that, let me just activate the heavy attack. So see, now I can activate the parrying ability. But before I do that, let me show that I am not able to do any parry. Here we can parry only light attacks. Let me just time my blocking to get a parry effect, but see, it just blocks, no parrying happens. So what I should do is, if I go to skill tree and activate this and go back, now I should be able to do a parry. See, the attack is deflected and the enemy stands back. If I properly time, I can't block heavy attacks, only light attacks. If I properly time my blocking, you see, the enemy gets stunned with the parry. So yeah, that's what we are going to work on today. Let me just finish this guy off. So we can check. So here, this is how it works. Alright, so before we get started, let me remind you that you can download the project files of the full project, and also once you become a member, not just this, you can access all project files of all thousands of videos that I have done. So feel free to check it out. And also here is the full playlist of this tutorial series, action RPG with gameplay ability system. So you can follow these tutorials and implement everything by yourself from scratch. So feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link in description below. And now let's get back to today's tutorial. Okay, so now we want to work on the parry skill. So here, right now, if I play the game and go to skill tree, here we under the combat skills, we only have heavy attack. So underneath this, I need to have the parry skill. So to implement that, first thing is, this is the combat skills data table. Let's add a new one. I'll call it parry, and the name this parry. The level is 1, so it will appear below the heavy attack. Skill points needed, only 1. I already have an icon for this parry. This is the icon, and right now I don't have a gameplay ability associated that I need to associate with this. We will create it shortly, but before that, let me explain how the parrying works. So here, let me grab a weapon. I need to time my blocking. I can't parry heavy attacks. See, now the attack got deflected and the attacker got stunned. That's what parrying is in this game. Let me show you again. No, it's a heavy attack. Yeah, that's the parry. Okay, so the way it works is, character, base, and here. When I press IA block action input, I apply this gameplay effect, which is GE Parry. This is what it does is it adds this ability dot parry tag to the ability system of the character for 0.4 seconds. So that's why we need to time the block-in to get the parrying effect. So if the character has this tag, then we do a parry. Then we invoke parry reaction on the attacker. So that's the way it happens. So as you can see here, right now I'm directly applying the gameplay effect. But if we want to promote this as a game skill, what I can do is I can have a gameplay ability that assigns that add this gameplay effect when the ability is activated. And here instead of this we can just activate parrying ability. So to do that, let me go to my upgrades. Here I'll create a new gameplay ability and I'll choose GA skill as the parent and I'll call it GA Parry. Here. Let me open this. Now here is the parry skill. As the asset tag, I'll add upgrades, combat. Let's add a sub tag, call it parry. And here, when I activate this ability, I need to apply gameplay effect to own it. So this is same as this, but here now instead of this, I'm gonna get the ability system, activate abilities by tag, try activate ability. No, I thought it shouldn't be there. Okay. Make literal gameplay tag container. Upgrades, combat, parry. Now if the character has the parrying ability, it will activate it. Otherwise it will not. Okay, and also we need one more gameplay effect to determine when the character already possesses the parrying effect, parrying skill, so that we can update the already applied skills in the skill tree. So let me just duplicate this GE heavy attack, call it GE parry skill. Now here it should grant not this one, the parry, and it should be infinite. So once the ability is granted and activated, this upgrades.combat.parry tag will be always there in character's ability system. Right. Okay. Now here a parry skill. Oh, I forgot to add the dependency. Heavy attack should be a dependency. Alright, now let's see. Here, if I go to the skill tree, now we have, why is this already green? This will be already green if the character already has the tag, but it shouldn't be there. But other than that, the tree is already working, which is fine. So why does character already has the tag? Hold on. GA Parry skill. Oh, I didn't add the blind gameplay effect. Okay. Now it should work. Let's see. Yeah, now it's not active. And also I can't activate it either because I don't have enough abilities, skill points. So if I get some skill points, now my character is upgraded. If I go to the skill tree, now I can activate this, and after that I will be able to activate the parrying ability as well. But before that, let me just show you that I can't actually do any parry. So wait for a light attack. Where are you going? So it will do a light attack. The heavy attack. It's random, but maybe I should reduce the chance of doing a heavy attack. Is it always doing it? That's the heavy attack. I'm out of luck today. No. Let me quickly check something. This is the attack behavior tree. This is the heavy attack. Oh, the probability is 1. That's why. Hit 0.4. The heavy attack. Okay. Now he's doing light attacks. So, but here you can see I can block, but I can't parry. Light attack. Yeah, see, I can block, but I can't parry. Oh, I forgot to activate the skill. Now here, if I go to skills, activate heavy attack, and then activate the parry ability. And now go back. Now I should be able to parry. See? See? Now I can parry. So yeah. So that's actually all I want to do in this episode. Now we have the ability to parry. If I go back to my skill tree, here you see the activated abilities are already there. And also let me press home button. Oh, I have a breakpoint here. I just wanted to see if I can save. Yeah, it looks like it's saved. So here, yeah, it's saved. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do today. So thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.